Dear students, in this video we will discuss the problems related to logarithmic differentiation. Actually, what is logarithmic differentiation? See, by some examples I will tell that. For example, x power n, where n is constant. What is the derivative of x power n? We have formula. Derivative of x power n is n into x power n minus 1. Here you observe, here x is their variable, power is constant. When variable power constant, we can use x power n formula. For example, x square, derivative is what? 2 into x power 2 minus 1, 2x will come. All of you know this one. Even sin square x derivative. How to do sin square x derivative? Variable, some function of x powers 2. So, same formula we will use. 2 into sin x power 2 minus 1, that is 1. Inner derivative of this one is sin x derivative is cos x. This is 1 only, not derivative. So, it is 2 sin x cos x. Okay, that is the application of the formula x power n, variable power constant. Suppose we want to find the derivative of n power x. Now you observe that here constant, power, variable is there. The derivative of this one is not x n power x minus 1. That such formula you should not use. Then how to use? How to do this one? When constant power variable is there, you have to go for logarithmic differentiation. So first you take y equal to n power x. Now we will find dy by dx. Dy by dx means derivative of this one. To do this one, some logarithmic formulas are required. Log m plus log n equal to log m into n. Here base is e. E no need to write. Nothing is there means e only. Log m minus log n equal to log m by n. Here also base is e. And third formula is log m power n equal to this n will multiplies that log of m. These three formulas enough to do this derivative. Take logarithms on both sides. Log of y equal to log of n power x. So this x will come here by this formula, x log n. Now differentiate with respect to x. Remember that log n is constant. Why? Because n is constant, log n is also constant. So don't go for 1 by n like that. Now what is the derivative of log y? Derivative of log y is 1 by y. Since this is y term we are doing with respect to x, we have to write dy by dx equal to log n into x derivative is 1. So here dy by dx equal to this y multiplies here, y log n. Y is what? N power x. N power x into log n. So what is the derivative of n power x? N power x into log n. What is the derivative of a power x? A is constant here. A power x into log a. Any constant. 2 power x derivative is 2 power x into log 2. Okay, this is a power x or n power x derivative. Say, find the derivative of x power x. Now we will find the derivative of this one. You take y equal to x power x. Derivative of x power x means dy by dx you have to find. When power is variable, here power is variable, na, you take logarithms. Taking logarithms on both sides, log y equal to log of x power x. Log y equal to, this x will come here, x log x. In previous sum, log n is a constant, but here log x is a variable. Why? Because x is variable. This is variable. So, when the product of two functions derivative, you have to use UV rule. So, now you differentiate. Differentiate with respect to x. Log y derivative 1 by y dy by dx into UV rule you have to apply. U dash v plus v dash u. X dash log x plus log x dash into x. What is x derivative? 1 into log x. What is log x derivative? 1 by x into x. This x and this x cancel. This is 1 only. This is log x. So you can write 1 plus log x. This 1 first you write. 1 plus log x. What is this? 1 by y dy by dx. Therefore, dy by dx equal to y into 1 plus log x. But what is y? X power x. Dy by dx equal to x power x into 1 plus log x. So the derivative of log x power x is x power x into 1 plus log x. This one, like a formula, you have to remember. Whenever required x power x derivative, you have to write directly x power x into 1 plus log x. There you should not do again x power x derivative by taking these all. Okay? See, logarithmic differentiation is very interesting and important for board examination. One question surely will come. Now we are going to derive x power sin x, derivative of x power sin x. Here you see power is variable, so you know that what we have to do? We have to take logarithms. So first you take y equal to x power sin x. Taking logarithms on both sides, log y equal to log of x power sin x. Again this sin x will come here. Log y equal to sin x into log x. Again function of x into function of x. Derivative you have to find. So what you have to do? UV rule you have to apply. So now you differentiate. Differentiate with respect to x. Log y derivative 1 by y dy by dx equal to sin x derivative into log x plus log x derivative into sin x. What is derivative of sin x? Cos x into log x. What is the derivative of log x? 1 by x sin x. This is what 1 by y into dy by dx. So we want dy by dx. So dy by dx equal to y into cos x into log x plus 1 by x into sin x is sin x by x. That is dy by dx equal to y is what? X power sin x into cos x into log x plus sin x by x. So the derivative of x power sin x is x power sin x into cos x into log x plus sin x by x.